Hello, hello, hello. It's Donna Davis Bell from Inspired to Create Facebook group and Donna Davis Bell on YouTube. And I have for you today the kit that I am going to use in my design team project for Happiness in Crafting G. Kerr. She is an awesome artist, very, very talented, so many ideas. She does things that I don't see other people doing. She has a lot of unique and beautiful ideas. She has some beautiful kits, and I was fortunate enough to be chosen as one of her design team members. So and here is the kit that I have chosen is the Shabby French collection. Here's the link. I will put it below to this kit. So you can go on over and purchase that kit. It is very cheap. I think it's like $5, not much. And then the link to her Etsy shop will also be below, along with her link to her Facebook group and her Instagram. All her links will be in the description box below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's look at this kit. It comes with 12 pages. This is the first kit. Now, I have not trimmed them out yet. I set my printer to print so that it prints and has the border, because if I don't, mine seems to cut off the end. So that's how I have mine set. So be sure when you print yours out to make sure that you have yours set correctly for your printer. This is the first paper. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful flowers, some little postage type things. You can make postcards. Journal cards. I mean, so many things you can do with this page. Page in a journal, file folder, folio. I mean, whatever you want to make, this page is perfect for it. Collaging, anything. Beautiful, beautiful page. So there's the first page. Love these cabbage roses. Aren't they just beautiful? Okay, next page. Same thing. Beautiful. You can do so much with this. I see a journal card, postcards, ephemera. You can even cut the flowers out and use them, collaging, and again, beautiful journal page. So much that you can do with this kit. I'm telling you, it is gorgeous. I just fell in love with this kit when I saw it. Okay, here's the next page. Again, there's so much you can do. Journal cards, tags, endless what you can do with this kit. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Even as a journal page, beautiful. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? I have printed mine out on cardstock. I will be not sure if I'm going to keep it as cardstock in the journal or what I'm going to do. Probably going to reprint it onto some paper. But for the purposes of showing you the kit, I wanted to print it out on this paper so I could show it better. But like I said, there's so much you can do. I see tags, journal cards, envelopes, journal pages. I mean, it's endless what you can do with these papers. They are so, so beautiful. Look at this one. Isn't that just gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. And beautiful. How pretty is that for a journal? Gorgeous. Okay, here's the next one. This one would be gorgeous as a file folder folio, as a journal page, collaging, tags, envelopes, just whatever you want to do with it. Isn't that just gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. Next page, same thing. So much you can do with this. This one would be gorgeous also as a folio, file folder folio, you know, with a journal and writing set inside, or even just as a wall hanging, or as a journal page. You can use it as a journal page. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Even for decoupaging onto boxes, you can print it out on fabric. All you have to do to print on fabric is use some adhesive spray. Spray it good, put it down on your paper, and then run it through your printer if you're very careful. I will make a video on how to do that to show you how to do that. But this would be beautiful for that. For that, also you could print it out on fabric, make pillows. How gorgeous would that be on a pillow? Beautiful. Or wall hanging. I mean, I see endless possibilities for this. Ephemera, tags, postcards, just journal cards, journal pages. I mean, it's endless what you can do with this beautiful kit. It's gorgeous. Here's another one. I see a journal page. I see tags, postcards, ephemera, journal cards, envelopes, bags, little bags, just whatever you want to make. It's just gorgeous. I love this kit. I fell in love with it the minute I saw it. Same thing here. Same thing. She has done a wonderful job designing this kit. She is such an excellent artist and designer. All of her kits are so beautiful. So, so beautiful. I had a hard time. It took me a couple of days to choose which kit I wanted to use for this project because they are all so gorgeous and beautiful. Here's another one. A nice background page. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Beautiful. I mean, just gorgeous. Everything in it is French. It's so pretty. Another background page. So pretty. I'm sorry, my dog is lapping up water over here. So I apologize if you hear that. Here again, another beautiful page. And again, the possibilities for creating with this are endless. It is just so, so pretty. And I love, love, love all the colors that she has used. And another one. I think there's a total of 12 pages in this kit. Isn't that rose just gorgeous? All kinds of beautiful script if you're into collaging. Beautiful ephemera, beautiful flowers, beautiful colors. I mean, the possibilities are endless. And you get 2 pages. Let's see, let's make sure that I'm telling you correctly. You get 3 pages of ephemera. And then, let's see, 2 pages of journal cards. Nope, 3 pages of journal cards to use with this kit. So you get lots of ephemera and embellishing items to use. I see pockets, tags, embellishments, belly bands, page tabs. I mean, the possibilities are endless with this kit. Here's another one. I love these because, let me pause, I'm sorry. Okay, these, what I'm going to do with these, I love these. I'm going to back these to coffee dyed paper and stitch around the edges, and I'm going to take my punch and make myself a circle, and I'm going to put these onto, this is my plan, onto a brad so that they can be moved, okay, and make a flower, and they can be moved to be journaled under. I will put 2, back to back so that they can be journaled, private journaling under them. You have these little cards. You have hearts. I mean, so much ephemera. Gorgeous. Here's also another sheet, smaller version of these. You have the little tabs that can be used on the edges of your paper, toppers, all kinds of things. So many things. Let me turn this way to show you. So many ideas. She is just so talented. You have journal cards and postcards here to use. Gorgeous, absolutely. So you get 4, 8, 12 journal cards to use in this kit. So much. Aren't those just beautiful? And these are perfect for also making mini journals and for using for pockets and all such as that in your journals. So you get a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 62, 64, 66 pieces of ephemera and 12 journal cards and 12 pages in this kit. You cannot beat that. That is, and it's a gorgeous kit. You cannot beat that. So, so pretty. So what we are going to do for this project is I am going to show you how to make a large journal like this. This one is going to be a French journal that we're going to make. This is a personal journal I have made for my aunt. But this is what we're going to do. And I got a little carried away with this one. As you can see, it got rather large rather quickly. But we're going to make a journal. We're going to sew it in. This one is not sewn in. I've done this way so she can take papers in and out, you know, for photos. But this is what the goal is. We're going to make a large journal. So come along, join me, and go on over, purchase your kit, or choose one of her many other kits if you're not, this one's not your style. She has all kinds. Go on over, pick a kit, and let's get started. We're going to make a large journal and have lots of fun. So thank y'all. God bless. Be sure to go on over to Happiness in Crafting by G. Kerr on Etsy. Her link is below, and purchase your kit and craft along with me. You can reach me in Inspired to Create on Facebook or here on YouTube, Donna Davis Bell. And so let's have some fun. Thank you. God bless. Have a good day. Bye-bye.